it going, everybody? Today we are at Lake Texoma, and we're going to go see if we can find a couple striper over by the dam, and then fish for some Texas smallmouth and some largemouth. Let's go see if we can find a few fish. I know it. Holy crap. Oh no. What is it? Archie? Give up. I don't know what it is. It's a big one. It looks green. Oh, it's a smallmouth. It's a good smallmouth. God, they pull hard. It's a greeny one. No, it's a brown one. It's a brown. Are you hung up? No! What happened? What happened? No! No! That sucks. I don't even feel him on there anymore. No way. That super sucks. I don't feel him at all. Oh, he's on. He's out. That was cool. He got hung up in one of these rocks, dude. God, he's not even that big. They fight so freaking hard, dude. That's crazy. Yeah! Alright, that was super cool. We came here looking for striper, but there's freaking boats everywhere, so I just figured I'd run the dam for a minute. Got some birds up here and some dudes. And see if we can do that again. That was pretty quick on the spinnerbait. They pull hard. Oh, too short. Now just got number 3 back to back. He's even smaller, so I don't know if this bait's gonna help or not. Oh my God, they're getting smaller. What in the world? Alright, we gotta find a bait that will get me the bigger bites and leave these ones out. I don't know what that is. Oh man, come on. It's a dink fest over here. Where's them bigger ones at? Well, so far we've caught like 6 fish, so that's cool, but only one keeper, all smallmouth. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and change baits a little bit. The problem is this little swim bait catches big ones too. Like everything eats it. You just have to catch, like, do you read through all the small ones? Or do you change baits and try to just target bigger ones? We're out here to catch fish, right? At least it gives you an indication of where fish are when you're catching smalls. Not the worst thing in the world. That ain't catching nothing. Anyway, See if we can get some more. Find some bigger ones. I think I'm fishing. Where'd it go? That guy right there. Doesn't that look like a ship to you? There's a fish right on the top and right on the back edge of that. Let's see if we can get him. Finally! Got him! God, how many times did I stare at these fish? I don't think he's big enough to do anything, but I'm glad I caught him. Gotcha! Saw him swimming around. Bye-bye! He doesn't want to leave his boat. He comes out, he checks it out, and he goes right back in. Now we're gonna try and give him a little talking to, kiss him on his neck, get it snagged, get our Nico rig snagged up. Boom on the Nico rig. He's not big, but this is really good practice. They're on a sunken ship that's out here, or boat. And they'll pop out, and they'll look at my bait, and go back in. Oh, he's a grande mouth. Where's the spot? Still my worm though. Little spot. For real. Under two. I think he might keep. Ah, they're sporty. Oh yeah. Balled up my Range Roller. I don't even know if I can get this thing. I don't even know if I can get this thing out. It's totally destroying this bait. I only had to bend this hook like 5 times. These Range Rollers have super light hooks. There we go. That's any better. Range Roller with a whatever the Strike King elastic thing is. Anyway, what I'm doing, what seems to be working, what worked over there, is this is all huge rock, as you can probably see. These are all huge rocks. But what I'm looking for is some rocks that are in like 8 to 12 feet, because it's kind of small rock, and then if I can find a big rock over there, I'll throw to it. And they'll look at that spinnerbait and show me that they're there, and then I'll try and follow them up with something and see if I can get them. But he bit the spinnerbait, and then I threw the minnow back in there and he got it. So let's see if we can do that again. There's probably more than one. these fish cruising around and got a big tangle on my line. Picked it up while I was screwing around. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. We did not catch a limit of fish. We ended up with 3 for like 6 pounds, so not that great. Gosh, this floor's hot. I did get a pattern going on this main lake rock here that was that worked pretty good. I missed some fish over here that may or may not have been keepers, right? So I kind of struggled finding size. I caught like 20 fish today, some hybrids, a lot of different fish, but overall I think it was a pretty good day. It's starting to get hot. It is Memorial Day, so there's starting to be boats everywhere, and fish in the main lake when there's boats everywhere, it does not sound like a good time. Did some damage on this. This is that roller or something owner head that I picked up from Lake Pro Tackle, along with the, let me figure out what this is, Z2, baby Z2. Yeah, this is a Strike King baby Z2. Okay, it's an elastic bait, smoky shad. Did some damage with that. I've not had too much success pinging a minnow, but that seemed to work out today. And some of what I was doing, and I've heard of this on some podcasts, was I was throwing like a spinner bait or a chatterbait or moving bait, and these fish would show me where they are. Like they'd follow it, and then I'd try to pull it out of there, and they'd go back to where they were, and then I'd follow up with a smaller bait. Also the Nico rig caught a couple, and same thing, just they'd show me where they're at, and then I can target them, and that seemed to be fairly effective. Obviously I didn't catch a limit, but anyway, that was it for today. Appreciate you coming along. We'll see you next time.